Happy night guys, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day kay may may uyab na ako ng lalaki. Liligawan ng lalaki, may kabit na malandi. Ang dapat nila ilang ligawan nilang ilang lalaki at babae. Basta happy Valentine's Day time, you're my husband. You're my husband, your wife. Wife, your life. Witness your time. First time your happy Valentine's Day, guys. Bye.